it's important that in our work we not only address issues of violence against women and girls, but also we talk about leadership and participation of women and girls. I had the pleasure when I was working in the UN to sit in bombers when, as a country, you were negotiating your constitution. So what I see today is Action Aid Kenya simply putting an extra effort for the implementation of your constitution, of the Kenyan constitution, a constitution that speaks to equality of opportunities for women and men, that speaks to the importance of young people. But we also know there are so many barriers to that participation. It's important to zero in on the issues around education, the issues around ending what is called child marriage. As the AU Goodwill Ambassador on ending child marriage, and which Action Aid strongly messaging emphasizes as well, we are not talking about a marriage. We're talking about child rape, child sexual exploitation. As long as our girls are experiencing rape and abuse, how will they participate in the elections? How will they be part of a democratic space if that space is violence, including violence at a very personal level?
As a nation, we have to start focusing and seriously focusing on young women, because they too have potential for leadership. And as we focus on young women, what we believe in is that we can level the ground. We also believe in an environment that is conducive, an environment that is free from violence, knowing that there are restrictions on movement. Most likely, these women may not be able to move around and campaign as we see the campaigns working. And therefore, our aim here is also to seek support, that we will be able to support them through all possible media.